Good morning. Welcome to Coffee and a Forecast. It is May 20th, 2012. Happy birthday, Michael. That's my son. Today's his birthday. Salute. Really good coffee. It's 8:50 in the morning. The reason why I'm recording Coffee and a Forecast so late is because I've been doing some experimentation. I have Tucson weather is also on Google+. And so I was trying to do a hangout and record Coffee and a Forecast in the hangout. It worked. But I wasn't real happy with the results. It was real hard to read the numbers, especially on the current temperatures. So I think I'm going to have to go back to this iShow UHD and hope that they work out the codecs with Apple so that my lips and my voice will be synced up someday. I'm not sure what's wrong with that. I'm having the same problem with Photo Booth ever since I went to OS X Lion on the Mac. So I'm not sure what's up with the video codecs. Maybe there's something I can do. Maybe I need to go to the Apple Store and ask them some questions. But anyway, so we're back to this format, and I think this. I'm just gonna have to make this work because this seems to be the best solution. All right, back to the weather and stuff. First of all, big eclipse today. So I have my eclipse viewing filter here. I'm gonna look directly at the sun. I was actually doing that when I got these. They were in my suit pocket, so I got a crease already. Not real happy with that, but they should still function fine. And I'm hoping that I can take my camera and then put this and maybe get some pictures of the eclipse. I don't know if that's going to work. We won't know until we try, will we? All right, stay tuned. Meanwhile, temperature yesterday, 93, average high 93. So we were right there, record high 104, and that's tomorrow's forecast. Yeehaw. And the low is pretty close to average, too. All right, let's go to the University of Arizona, their webcam and their time lapse from yesterday, and check it out. Not even one single solitary puffy white cloud in the sky all day long. A little bit of a breeze. You see the wind flapping there, but it wasn't too windy. It was just a beautiful sunny day, 93 degrees. Very nice. Today will be hotter, 99. Call it 100, round up. Tomorrow heating up, 104. And then Tuesday, winds kicking up, gusting to near 30, a high near 102. And then back into the upper 90s, say Wednesday with some breezes. And let's see, Thursday 96, Friday 95, kind of breezy, 95 on Saturday. Here's what's going on outside right now, almost 9 o'clock in the morning. So starting to warm up, Safford 72, Douglas Bisbee Airport 70. Here's a 79 near Sierra Vista, 72 near Dallas Airport, 81 in Casa Grande. And we got 73 at the Tucson International Airport, but it's already 84 here at the apartment in southern Oro Valley, 72 right now in Benson, and you see mid-70s, upper 70s, low 80s across the metro right now, 76 in Marana at almost 9 a.m. Where are the showers and the storms? Well, Minnesota, you can see a little bit of activity here. So here's the low. So Wisconsin, a few thunderstorms out ahead of that in northern Wisconsin. Some rain behind that in Minnesota. Some big storms around Oklahoma City, and some rain for northwestern Washington, Oregon and western Washington. How odd for them. No eclipse for you. So sorry. My son, whose birthday is today, lives right here in Albuquerque. And the annular eclipse, the path of where you see the annularity, does that make sense? Is going to go right across northwestern Arizona, right across Albuquerque's dead center for the annular eclipse, and then to about Lubbock, Texas. And so my son, having a birthday, will also experience the full annular eclipse with a forecast of full sunshine today. Enjoy it. Severe thunderstorms possible in parts of Wisconsin and northern Illinois. Here's Chicago, the bullseye. Some rain and thunderstorms, Tennessee River Valley, back into West Texas and eastern New Mexico. And then it's general rain for Oregon and Washington. Oops, here's our forecast. 100 today. And we'll be coming off of that high at 5:31 when the partial eclipse begins here in Tucson. An hour and 10 minutes later at 6:40. The sun will be the most covered up by the moon, and I think we're looking at about 85% covered, 80 to 85% covered. So a big chunk of the sun will be missing at about 6:40. And then we'll start to see more and more of the sun, but still partially covered at sunset at 7:18. So 100 today, 70 tomorrow morning, 104 tomorrow afternoon. And then winds kicking up on Tuesday, 102, and then cooling off some by next weekend, it's going to mid-90s. That's it. Coffee and a Forecast, May 20th. Happy Eclipse Day. And, I know I keep starting and stopping this thing, so we'll see. We'll see how this turns out. I get a little frustrated when my voice doesn't sync up. I'm still trying to solve that problem, so I'll try to stay consistent if I can get this thing to work well. Have a great Sunday. We'll see you. Yeah, we'll probably see you tomorrow.